Don't we all love carnitas? Guess what? It's so easy to make. I have about 5 pounds of pork shoulder. The meat has been sitting on the kitchen counter about 1 to 2 hours. Season the meat everywhere with salt and pepper very generously. Sprinkle the spice mixture all over the meat thoroughly. Drizzle avocado oil and rub with your hand. Put the meat in the pot. Put onions, garlic, serrano peppers, orange juice, and the rinds. If you cook with an Instant Pot, select pressure cook and set the timer for 2 hours. If you cook with a slow cooker, cook for 8 hours on low. And if you bake, bake at 300 with a lid on for about 8 hours. Whatever you do, you should cook until the meat falls apart. Shred the meat with 2 forks. I warmed up a tortilla for 30 seconds in the microwave so that the tortilla is warm and elastic. Put basmati rice, beans, corn, the meat, cheese, pico de gallo, Greek yogurt, guacamole, and romaine lettuce. Grab the top and the bottom of the tortilla and rock a little so that all the fillings will be centered. Then, wrap the filling with the bottom part of the tortilla. Stretch the top part of the tortilla to fold tight. Then, fold the sides. I will cut this burrito to show you how tightly the burrito was folded. As you can see, the fillings aren't spilling out. Now you can enjoy carnitas anytime you want. Bon appetit!